Hello, welcome back to my channel where I still don't have an official introduction. Today I'm going to attempt to recreate a look by Atleeey, one of her gorgeous green grungy looks. So I'll show a picture here now and then we'll get right into it. I imagine it's going to be difficult for me to even come close to the gorgeous look that she's created. Let's give it a try. All right, to do this green grungy look, I am going to be using my Boss Babe Morphe palette, this one, with all of those grungy greens in the corner. And then I might dip into some other palettes if I am not finding all the colors that I need. So first thing I'll do is prime my eyes. And I am going to do my eye look first today so that hopefully if I get any fallout, I can clean it up easily. And I've been using the Wet n Wild eyelid primer. It leaves a nice tackiness to the skin and dries out the oil. All right, I'm gonna pin back my hair. All right, so she's got this mossy green vibe going on. So I'm going to start just like on my lid and then I'll work out. Not sure if I have the exact colors, but we'll see how close I can get. I didn't check to see what product she used, but I figured I'd have something similar enough in this palette. All right, let's do it. So I am dipping into this shade in the middle right here. I'm going to cover my lid in that and we'll see if that's close to the same shade that she used. And I am actually using a old paintbrush and I've used this for ages. This is the first thing I started using on my eyes when I started doing eyeshadow. I love it so much. This is also my first time ever doing my makeup in my room and not in the bathroom. So it's definitely different to try and work in this space. I'm trying to keep myself in the frame too, but it's a little tricky for me. Still working on it. I'm just going to do one eye on camera and then I'll do the other eye off camera. All right, so far I like the appearance of this shade. I might deepen it up a little bit with a more dark green. Yeah. I'm gonna even bring it to make a little bit above my crease. And we'll do blending later. Okay. Got a little high there, that's fine. I'll end up doing lots of blending around the edges. Okay, I'm not going to bring it too far in because she has a shimmer on the inner corner. Okay. So far so good. Now I'm going to, well, you can be the judge of that. And I'm going to go into this deeper mossy shade right here. Or right here. Not even sure which one I pointed at anymore. Okay, I think it's this one. Here we go. I'm going to put this on the outer corner and start deepening the look a bit. I'm just using the same brush, like, that's fine. That's what I'm going for. That decision has already been made. It is what it is. Okay, it's deepening it up a little bit. I think I'm going to need something a little darker to get the depth that she has in her look. So now that I have applied that deeper mossy green, I'm going to go in with the even darker shade right next to it that I pointed out before, this one right here. And we're gonna just keep deepening in the outer corner, in the outer V. Try not to apply too much product since my eyes are tiny. But also trying to apply enough product that you can see it. I'm learning that the placement of my mirror probably needs to be somewhere else so that I'm staying in frame but also able to look at the mirror at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna kind of swipe that over the crease again. Just to get a little bit more depth in there. Okay. Alright, that is fine by me for now. We'll keep working with it. Now, it looks like she has almost a yellowy shade that she buffed out. Alright, so clearly since last time I was on camera, I made progress on my other eye. And I kind of deepened up the corner, and I really liked that first green that I used. So I went in and also just deepened those shades again. Because that transition color to blend out the edges was not coming out the way I wanted, I took that off, and now I'm going to go in with a yellow. It's from my BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Gilded palette. I think it might be the only yellow I have, so that's what I'm going for. It's kind of a mustardy yellow. So I'm hoping it will give me a similar feel to Atleeey's look. This one's got like a lot of kick up, so I gotta be careful. Okay. Place it right below the brow bone and just slowly start melding these colors together. I want to have a lighter hand. Sometimes I catch myself really choking up on the brush, wanting to like control everything, but then I don't get a nice gentle blend. So gotta remind myself to hold the brush nice and gently. Yeah, so far that's a little bit more what I want. I hope we can get a little bit color on camera. It's a little difficult. You know what? I'm going to jump right back on, but I'm going to see if I can get some better lighting. All right, now I've let some natural light into the room, so hopefully that helps a little bit. Okay, I'm going to keep working with that yellow shade for a little while. And I'm just going to do this eye, and then I'll jump off camera to finish up the look. I'm a little bummed though, I can't find my eyelashes. I moved recently, and I have no idea where my singular pack of eyelashes is. But Atleeey wears amazing, gorgeous lashes, and I was gonna, I was gonna go hard in trying to recreate this look and really go for it. But it seems like I might not have any luck finding those lashes. Again, I'm bringing this like high up to my eyebrow. Just gently and slowly blending. This definitely gives me more of the yellow mustard tone that I see in her photo. So I'm much happier using this yellow than that green like I was using before. Okay, now I'm going to go throw a shimmer on the inner corner. I think I'm going to use a shimmer from my Smitten in Switzerland BH palette. It just has this really pretty, shimmery, mossy green right here. It's called Mount Rigi, if I'm saying that correctly. All right, I'm just going to take that on my ring finger. Ooh, I wish this came off more on camera, but that is a really pretty shade. Ooh, I like that a lot. I definitely think that is a prettier shade than anything I have in the Boss Mood palette. This is nice. I like it. Ooh, it is so beautiful. I'm checking her picture again too to see the shape. I'm going to add a little bit more yellow coming in here too. Just really want this sparkle to pop. Again, on my tiny little eyes, I need to take it up high enough that this will be visible. I've probably been off camera a lot too. Sorry, y'all. Yeah, I'm noticing that I'm off camera a lot. I need to stay further back. But with my astigmatism, I want to get really close, so I can see what in the world I'm doing. Okay. So tempting to just like put my face right up in the mirror. Okay, we're gonna leave that. A little bit more yellow again. Okay. And then she has a really, gosh, I really need to get used to this being on camera business. Trying to see, she's got like this kind of light green deal going on in the inner corner. I'm not sure if I have something to duplicate that. All right, I'm going to do the best I can off camera to finish this look up, and then I'll pop back on to show you the finished look. Alrighty, let's talk about how I got to this finished look. So after I jumped off camera, I finished the lower lash line. I just took the same shades that I did here on the outer portion of my upper lid and ran them across the bottom. And then I blended out all the edges with the yellow, going around the entire thing. And then I wanted to brighten this green, even though I loved that other green from that BH palette. I think it's so beautiful. I wanted this to have a little bit more brightness. So on top, I added a green from the NYX Sugar, what's it called? Sugar Trip Squad palette. So I really like that brightened it up a little bit on the inner corner. And then on my cheeks, I added a peachy blush. I added very slight highlight. And on my lips, I did a combo of 3 products. And for that, I used, first I started with a lip pencil from NYX in the shade Free Spirit. I learned about this product from Heather Moorhouse, who is an awesome makeup artist. She creates stunning looks, and I just thought the shade was beautiful, so I used that. Topped it with a little bit of the ColourPop lip gloss in the shade Fantasia, and then it felt like, I don't know, the color wasn't just right. Her Atleeey's lips looked a little bit more pink, so I kind of dabbed a little bit of that off. It was looking too neutral, and then I just put a little bit of this NYX This Is Everything lip oil just to give it a little bit more shine, but the other products are still showing through. Overall, I'm really happy with how the look turned out. Unfortunately, I couldn't find my lashes. I was really hoping that I could go all out and really try and do the full look with lashes, but honestly, I don't know what I'm doing with lashes anyway. But I figure now's a good time to start learning. But maybe in my next video, I'll give lashes a go. But I love just the grungy green eyes, and Atleeey does amazing grungy looks and these green looks. So definitely check her out. I will link her down below. If you happen to enjoy this, give it a like. If you didn't like it, well, go ahead and hurt my feelings, because I love that you're watching anyway. Thank you for being here. If you'd like to see more from me, hit that subscribe button. If you want. It's your life, man.